This is SCADA Dude. Welcome back to another Geo SCADA how-to series. In this video, we are going to cover how to determine your Geo SCADA version number. So why would you want to know that? Well, typically before you upgrade your system, it is important to know what version you are currently running. That way you can decide what's the best way to upgrade your system. So there are two places you can find the version number out. We're going to look at both of them. Let's start with the server itself. Click on the taskbar, right-click on the server icon, and click on Status. Expand the tree out, and hopefully you have to log in. Once you're logged in, click on General. Right here, you will find the version information. In this case, it's version 6.81.7322.1. So what you really want to know is the 81.7322. The other thing to consider is it shows you this is a January 2020 release. So typically what Geo SCADA does, it releases a version every month. As long as you have a need to upgrade, you can upgrade your version number. Just make sure you stay within the release cycle and not to a newer version, because your license does not support it. It will lock you out of your system. The other option is to go to ViewX. Now typically the ViewX loaded on the server should match the version number automatically, but you also want to double check the ViewX on the operator machine or any other user that might be using ViewX, because it is possible you may have a different version there. Double click on ViewX. Even though it says January 2020 on the splash screen, we still want to confirm. Click on File, the arrow by the help, and go to About. Again, you will find the version number right there at the bottom. It says Geo SCADA build 81.7322 January 2020. And that's what it takes to find the version number. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. That way, as I come up with more videos, you will get notified. Thank you. See you next time.